Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a shake effect to your Adobe After Effects project. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Adobe After Effects, where we can get started with editing our videos. So guys, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and import the products we need. So you'll be greeted by this composition menu right here once you open up the program. So you'll want to give it a name, select the quality, and fill out all the info that you need before getting into it. Click OK, and now we can get started with our composition and with importing our objects that we want to shake. So let's go ahead and select and import the objects that we need. So go into the upper left corner and click on the file option, and under file it's going to appear this new drop down menu with options, and one of them is import. So go ahead and select import guys, and now we have the option to select a file that we want to import. So go ahead and select file to import that you want to use in Adobe After Effects and that you want to shake, and after selecting guys, it's going to appear right here under the project menu where you can get started with adding it to your projects. So guys, go ahead and add the item and the image that you want to shake and add it right here, and we're going to go ahead and select it. After selecting it guys, now we can go ahead and get started with the shaking effects, and basically all you will need is the effects and presets option right here, the right side of the screen, where you can see all the effects that we can use for shaking our object and our image. So you can go ahead and mess out with effects right here to find the one that best works for you. But as you can see, when searching for the shake effect, it's going to enable us to go ahead and find this one that says camera shake. So we're going to be using this effect right here on our object that's going to enable us to add the shaking effect to it, and you can go ahead and test it out to see how it works for yourself. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.